Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product which is on PPS session. So here we are onto the website and you can check out final countdown to listing, whether you are already holding PEAP or watching from sidelines, the biggest update yet, and here to shake the entire chain. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here you can check out the listing. It will be done on 31st of October 2025. It is confirmed they are planning to do listings on top 5 CEX as well as DEX exchanges. So the token price is rumored to be listed at $3. It is 100x potential. Currently market is at low and entry point. So as you know that the initial price is $0.003, current price is $0.027, and the listing price is $3. So make sure you check it out as well, and it still have a lot of potential. So if you check out the community rewards, so PEAP has raised over 10,000 ether and 5% of it is straight going to that world reward pool. Total reward could surpass $2 million so far, and you can not just words, you can check out the ether scan details. They have the address, you can check out their multi-chain address, and you can see they have almost $2 million in that dual reward pool. So if ETH hits $5,000 on listing day, every PEAP holder gets rewarded into the ether. If it doesn't, you still win with the rewards in PEAP backed by 10% of the economics. So Ether at 4.3 K dollars right now, it is very close to 5K dollars. As you can see that tweet from Ted below about the Ether price, and details are given here. So make sure you check it out as well. That means your 5% community rewards would surge 4x in the value. So also Ether has been on rise lately. Layer 2 ecosystems are heating up fast. The rise of ETH and will boost the layer 2 tokens, and PEAP is one of them. So I also want to tell you about amazing bonus on their pre-sale. So let's come to the homepage and you can check out the early and bigger you buy, the higher bonus you get. Buy now and get 15% bonus on PEAP. It is currently for limited time offer. They also have zero cut launchpad. PEAP is launching with 0% fees on its own custom built launchpad decks. Not just another listing, PEAP is building their own launchpad tailored for meme fueled tokens and future community projects. This isn't a side feature, it's a core part of the PEAP ecosystem. So what does this mean? This means that there will be 0% buy or sell decks on PEAP native launchpad, instant trading. The moment TGE goes live, ecosystem tools built to support meme liquidity and viral growth. No middleman, no restrictions. It's 100% transparent. I also want to tell you about the staking feature. They are given an amazing APY of up to 150%. Massive yields. 150% APY means your token grow 2.5x in just 1 year with compounding. If PEAP price rises while you are running 150% APY, your total gains multiply far beyond 150x. For example, if you stake 1000 PEAP tokens at the end of an year, you will have 2500 PEAP tokens. The initial value you can say is 0.027. So 1000 PEAP tokens will be worth of $27, and after staking it for 1 year, you will get 150% APY, means you have 2500 PEAP tokens. And if we check out if we say that the price is $3 per PEAP token, that you will have $7,500 amount in dollars. So you will get 277x return on your investment. So the product stays active as well as updated. So make sure you check out their Telegram handle as well as X handle, because the developers of product are part of this community. So make sure you become part of their X handle, Telegram handle, as well as the Telegram channel as well. I also want to tell you that hundreds of influencers are making videos on YouTube about this awesome and amazing product, because this product is currently in trending #1. So you can check out these videos as well. Also make sure you check out the tweets about the PPS sessions so that you don't miss any of the news about this amazing product. So guys, I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product and become part of this amazing pre-sale before the TGE listing, because at listing the price will be $3 according to rumor. So make sure you check it out. Also make sure you do some own research as well. I am not a financial advisor. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.